You're working on a critical project, switching between design software, video calls, and dozens of browser tabs. Your laptop starts heating up, the fan kicks into overdrive, and everything slows to a crawl. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you that Samsung just dropped a device that makes this scenario a thing of the past? While Apple fans were busy debating the N4 versus M5 iPad Pro, Samsung was quietly building something that doesn't just compete with laptops, it completely replaces them. Today, we're breaking down the absolute powerhouse that is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. I've got the leaked benchmarks, exclusive details about the titanium build, and the one feature that has Apple scrambling to catch up. We're talking about a 3000 nit tandem OLED display with 0 notches. If you think your current tablet is fast, wait until you see what happens when you combine the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 with 24GB of RAM. While other brands play it safe with smaller screens, Samsung pushed boundaries with their 14.6-inch canvas. But here's the thing. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra isn't just about making things bigger anymore. It's about making them smarter, tougher, and premium in ways we've never seen before. This device represents the official end of the companion tablet era. You know what I'm talking about, those tablets that were great for watching Netflix, but couldn't handle real work. The Tab S12 Ultra changes everything, and it starts with the build quality. For years, aluminum has been the gold standard for premium tablets. But Samsung is moving beyond aluminum entirely. Following the massive success of their Galaxy S24 and S25 Ultra phones, the Tab S12 Ultra is getting a full grade 5 titanium frame. Now, this isn't just about looking cool, though it definitely does that. Titanium allows Samsung to cut significant weight while actually increasing the structural strength. For a tablet this large, that's a complete game changer. Think about it. The difference between a device you can comfortably hold with one hand and a heavy metal slab that lives permanently on your desk. We're talking about a 14.6-inch workstation that feels almost weightless, but is nearly impossible to bend or damage. It feels like premium jewelry but performs like a tank. The engineering here is honestly incredible. But the real magic happens the moment you power up that display. Remember how everyone complained about the display notch on the S8 Ultra? Well, Samsung heard those complaints loud and clear. The Tab S12 Ultra debuts Samsung's under-display camera 2.0 technology. They finally perfected the pixel density over the camera lens, making it virtually invisible during normal use. This gives you a truly edge-to-edge, uninterrupted canvas. No notches, no holes, no distractions, just pure, beautiful screen. And speaking of the screen, this isn't just any display. We're looking at Samsung's new tandem OLED structure. They're pushing this technology to absolute extremes with a peak brightness of 3000 nits. To put that in perspective, you could be working in direct desert sunlight, and this screen would still look like it's glowing from within. The contrast ratios are mathematically infinite, and with a 144 Hz variable refresh rate, every swipe and every stroke of the S Pen feels like liquid butter. This isn't just a tablet screen, it's legitimately the best display in the entire consumer electronics market right now. Let's talk about the S Pen for a moment because Samsung has made some serious improvements here too. The new S Pen Pro 3 features advanced haptic motors built right into the barrel. These motors can simulate the feeling of writing on completely different surfaces. Want it to feel like a graphite pencil on thick paper? The software adjusts the vibration patterns to match that exact sensation. Need the precision of a fine-tip marker on smooth glass? It can do that too. For digital artists and students, this removes the last major barrier between analog and digital writing. It's honestly mind-blowing when you experience it for the first time. Now, let's get into the engine room. This is where the whole laptop killer narrative becomes reality. The Tab S12 Ultra runs exclusively on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This chip was built specifically for heavy-duty AI tasks and professional workloads. But here's the real headline. Samsung is offering a 24GB RAM variant. Let me say that again. This is more memory than most high-end Windows laptops currently shipping in stores. Why would you possibly need that much RAM in a tablet? One word: multitasking. Samsung has completely rebuilt their software approach with something called Neural Decks. It uses on-device AI to intelligently manage system resources. This means you can run full Linux environments alongside Android apps. You can edit 4K video in DaVinci Resolve while running a dozen other professional applications. I'm talking about having 30 Chrome tabs open, a 4K video rendering in the background, and a high-definition video conference call, all running simultaneously, and the Tab S12 Ultra won't even break a sweat. This level of performance completely eliminates the need for a separate laptop for most professionals. You're literally carrying a desktop-class workstation that happens to be thin enough to slip into a folder. The battery situation is equally impressive. Samsung packed an 11,600 mAh battery into this thing. But more importantly, they've moved to 80-watt ultra-fast charging. You can go from completely dead to 50% charge in about 20 minutes. For busy professionals, this means a quick charge during your coffee break gives you enough power for an entire cross-country flight. The charging technology here is honestly incredible. It's faster than most laptops charge. Let's talk about the camera system because Samsung made some major upgrades here too. The front-facing setup now features dual 12-megapixel sensors hidden completely under the display. These support 4K video at 60 frames per second with advanced autoframing technology. Whether you're presenting to a boardroom full of executives or video chatting with family, you'll look professional and perfectly lit. The AI skin tone optimization ensures you always look your best, regardless of lighting conditions. For content creators, this means you can shoot professional quality videos without any additional equipment. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. Premium technology like this doesn't come cheap. In the US market, we're expecting the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra to start around $1,299 for the base model. The top-tier 24GB RAM version will probably hit closer to $1,800. But here's how you need to think about this. If this device truly replaces both your tablet and your laptop, you're not just saving desk space. You're actually saving money in the long run. Most people spend $1,000 on a decent laptop and another $800 on a quality tablet. The Tab S12 Ultra gives you the functionality of both devices in one premium package. Based on Samsung's typical release schedule, we're looking at a late August or early September 2026 launch. This will likely happen at a major Galaxy Unpacked event, and it's going to define mobile computing for the next 3 years minimum. This isn't just Samsung's latest tablet, it's their all-in moment. The jump from the S11 to the S12 Ultra isn't an incremental upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of what a professional-grade tablet can actually accomplish. The level of hardware integration here is honestly unprecedented. The titanium chassis doesn't just look premium, it dissipates heat so effectively that thermal throttling becomes a non-issue. Even during intensive 8K video exports or complex 3D rendering, the device maintains peak performance throughout. Samsung has optimized the software so intelligently that apps you opened days ago will still be exactly where you left them. Everything resumes instantly, no matter how much time has passed. This is the kind of efficiency we usually only see on high-end desktop workstations. They've also upgraded the internal storage to UFS 4.0 technology. File transfers that used to take minutes now happen almost instantly. For US professionals working with large datasets or high-resolution media files, this speed improvement is absolutely crucial. Beyond raw performance, Samsung introduced an updated vapor chamber cooling system that's twice as large as the previous generation. This ensures that even during extended gaming sessions or complex design work, the titanium body stays cool to the touch. They've also enhanced the quad speaker setup with a new acoustic chamber design. The result is 40% more bass response and a rich, cinematic soundstage. External speakers become completely unnecessary for most users. Whether you're editing audio, watching movies, or in video conferences, the built-in sound quality is genuinely impressive. So here's the big question. Is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra actually the laptop killer we've all been waiting for? Based on everything we've covered today, the move to titanium construction, the 24GB RAM option, and the raw power of that Snapdragon chip, I think the answer is a definitive yes. If you're a power user who refuses to compromise on performance, display quality, or build materials, this is probably your next device. But I want to hear your thoughts on this. Does 24GB of RAM in a tablet seem like complete overkill? Or is it exactly what you need to finally ditch your laptop? Is that under-display camera technology something you've been waiting for, or do you not really care about the notch? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you understand why the Tab S12 Ultra might change everything, smash that like button and consider subscribing for more deep dives into cutting-edge technology. And if you're thinking about upgrading your current setup, hit that notification bell so you don't miss our full review when this device actually launches. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.